Good morning, children. I, Rajesh, going to take third maths online class for class ninth students. We have started the chapter number system and we have learned about rational numbers, irrational numbers, conversion of rational number into decimal, irrational, irrational number into decimal. Now, today we are going to learn how to convert decimal numbers into rational numbers, or we can say that P by Q form. Children, we know that every rational number has two types of decimal representation. One is terminating decimal representation and the second one is non-terminating repeating decimal representation. We have learned how to convert terminating decimal numbers into rational numbers in lower classes. Now we are going to learn how to convert non-terminating repeating decimal into rational numbers. Before going ahead, we must know few terms regarding non-terminating repeating decimals. Non-terminating repeating decimals are of two types. One is pure repeating decimal. Pure repeating decimals are those type of decimals in which all the digits after the decimal point are repeated, like this: 23.454545. Here 4545 repeats. We can write down this as 23.45 bar. The bar is on both the digits 4 and 5. The second type of non-terminating repeating decimal is mixed repeating decimal. A decimal in which at least one of the digits after the decimal point is not repeated and then some of digit or digits are repeated. For example, 2.1555. In this decimal number, 1 not repeats, only 5 repeats. We can write down this decimal representation as 2.15 bar. Bar is on only the digit 5. Such type of decimal representation is known as mixed repeating decimal. Now we will know what are the steps used for converting non-terminating repeating decimal into P by Q form. The first step is obtain the repeating decimal and put it equals to x. We have to let what we are going to change into P by Q form. The second step, write the number in decimal form by removing bar from the top of repeating digits and listing repeating digits at least twice. For example, 0.8 bar. Bar is on 8 as x is equal to 0.8888, so on. Step third. Now in this step we have to determine the number of digits having bar on their heads. We have to find the bar on which digit or block of digits have. In the fourth step, we have to know if the bar is on one digit, then we have to multiply it by 10. And if the bar is on two digit, then we have to multiply it by 100. Now, if the bar is on 3 digits, then we have to multiply by 1000 and so on. Now in the fifth step, subtract the number in step second from the number obtained in step 4. Then we have to simplify the equation and at the last we have to write down the rational number in the simplest form. Now we can understand this procedure by the following examples. Now we have to express 0.35 bar in the form of P by Q. So first step we have to let x is equal to 0.35 bar. Then we have to remove the bar. So it becomes x is equals to 0.353535 so on. We will name this equation as number 1. As we know that the bar is on 2 digit, so we have to multiply equation 1 by 100 and we get 100x is equals to 35.3535 so on, and we will name this equation as number 2. Then we have to subtract equation first from equation second, so we get 99x is equals to 35. If we subtract x from 100x, we will get 99x, and if we subtract 0.3535 from 35.3535, we will get 35. Therefore, x is equals to 35 upon 99. This is in the simplest form. Hence, 0.35 bar is represented as 35 upon 99. This is the P by Q form, or we can say this is the rational number. Second example, express 4.32 bar in the form of P by Q. Here we have bar on only one digit. Then first we have to let x is equals to 4.32 bar. Then we have to remove the bar. It becomes x is equals to 4.32222 so on. We will name this equation as number 1. Now as we know that the bar is on only one digit, so we have to multiply equation 1 by 10 and we get 10x is equals to 43.2222 so on. We will name this equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We get 9x is equals to 38.9. If we subtract x from 10x, we will get 9x. If we subtract 4.3222 from 43.222, we will get 38.9. Now we have to change this 38.9 into fractional form. 389 upon 10. Then bring this 9 down, it becomes 90. Hence 4.32 bar is written as 389 upon 90 as P by Q form. This is an rational number. Now children, you have to try the following question at home. Question number 1. Express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q, and there are 5 parts. Question number 2. Insert 10 rational numbers between -3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between -2 and -2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Question number 2 and 3 we will discuss in our first class. So children, you have to try all these questions at home. Thank you very much.